Welcome to another Star Wars film review. Today I'm going to be reviewing you the Cashew Trooper. So, I bought him for $9.99. That's normal. So, he comes, as you see, with a DC-15 Commander gun that he's holding now. His helmet is not removable, but you can see his face. You wait a second. Get up like this and see. You don't see his hair, but that's not a big deal. So, this Cashew Trooper is from 2008. And the one from 2006 was a repaint from the Scout Trooper, because here he had a gun holder and this one doesn't have. So, the back, I will show you that the belt is removable. Wait a second. Okay, so, see? No, I'll put it later. So this is how he looks like without the belt. A little strange. Okay. But if you turn around, the thing I want to show you is that he's with a different backpack. Doesn't have an antenna. That's for my Cashew Trooper review. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and tell you like it, please. No, it'd be so. Bye.